number is even or odd. I'm putting manipulatives at each table. Everyone's going to get a different manipulative, and I have numbers on my board. I want you to tell me if the number is even or odd. I want you to take that many manipulatives and see if you can split them in half. And if you have halves, that means you have two equal what? Pairs. Two equal amounts, okay? So, we're going to work on this. This is something new. So, let's work on the number 8. Everyone, open up your manipulatives and take out 8 manipulatives. Each person grab 8. I want you to make 2 equal groups. See if you can make 2 equal groups. Not by pairs. We're not doing pairs today, guys. I want you to make 2 equal groups. That means the same amount has to be in each group. And once you have it, look up here. Has everybody got at least 8 manipulatives?
Yes.
Okay. Has everyone made 2 equal groups?
Yes.
Were you able to make 2 equal groups?
Yes. Because it's even.
Okay, good job, Nathan. Nathan said if you can make 2 equal groups, that means the number is
Even.
even. Okay, where's my pen? So, we're going to write even beside the number 8. Now, I want to make a number sentence using those 2 equal amounts. Who can help me make a number sentence using those 2 equal amounts? Carly. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay? It's when you hear the word equal add-ins, these are considered add-ins. Who knows what the name of this add is? What is that considered? The what, Allison? It's even, but what's the official name of an answer to an addition problem? Cassie. Marcelius, help her out. Sum. Good job. So you want 2 equal add-ins, and the answer is always the sum, okay? Now, guys, I want you to reach in, and if you're trying to make 12 and you already have 8, how many manipulatives do you need? So grab 4 more. And after you grab 4 more, I want you to divide them into 2 equal groups, if it is possible. If it is possible. Okay, does everyone have 12 manipulatives in front of them?
No. Yes.
No, not yet. I'm going to give you about
No.
1 more minute, guys.
2 groups, Walker.
I want you to have
2
2
groups.
equal groups. I don't see 2 equal groups. Good job, Peyton. Good job, Nathan. Good job, Sierra. Good job, Sophia. Carly has it. Let's see. 2 equal groups. 2 equal groups. Good job, Kaylin, Christopher, and Vanessa, and Marcelius, and Luke, Cassie. Good job. Okay, were you able to make 2 equal groups?
Yes.
So this lets you know that this number is even or odd?
Even.
Even. I'm going to write even. Who can give me a Peyton? 6 and 6 are the equal add-ins. Who knows? What is the sum? What is the sum, Walker?
12.
12. Great job. Okay. Now let's move down to 7. So are we going to get more or we're going to put some back? We're going to put some back because that's a smaller number. I want you to get 7 manipulatives. And I want you to see if you can make 2 equal groups with 7 manipulatives.
I'm going to do 4. It can't be done.
2 equal groups. Get as close as possible to 2 equal groups that you can get. Okay?
You can do it like this. 5 plus 7 would be. Alright? That's not equal.
Does everyone have 7 in front of you?
Yes.
Have you tried to separate them into 2 equal groups?
Yes.
Were you able to separate it into 2 equal groups? No, you weren't. So that lets you know this number is odd. This is an odd number. Now, when you were back at my table, if you haven't came to my table for small group, I haven't been able to work with you to show you how to make the correct number sentence for odd number. If you have been at my table, you have learned a method on how to make a number sentence with an odd number. Can one of my friends who's been at my back table help me make a number sentence for this odd problem? Peyton.
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1. If you have 4 plus 1, what would that be?
Never mind. 5 plus 2.
No, not 5 plus 2. Remember we said we have to take, Sierra, let's see.
4 plus 3.
Now 4 plus 3. Luke.
Wait, what was her thing? 1
5
plus 3 plus. Wait, what was it?
Remember guys, if you have, I want to do a plus 1. And I want it to equal 7. So what 2 add-ins can you use to get to 7 if you have plus 1? Chrislyn. Not 6 plus 1. I want 2 equal add-ins plus 1 more to give you 7. Good job, Sierra. 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 7. Remember, guys, I had you with the Lincoln cubes, and you had to build those 2 groups. If you haven't been back there, that's why, because you're coming today, Walker.
Have I done my group?
You have.
Have I?
Yeah, you're coming. You're coming tomorrow. Okay, guys, so if you have 3 plus 3, those are your 2 equal add-ins. Plus that oddball equals 7. Okay? All right, let's try to do 5. Let's try to do the number 5. So, are we going to take some more manipulatives or are we going to put some back? Let's put some back. I want you to get 5 manipulatives in front of you. And see if you can make 2 equal groups.
And after that would be... Nope, not at all.
Sierra, do you remember how to do it? Remember it was at the table? I'm going to give you those sheets in a few minutes.
I thought we had number 5 plus 1.
See if you can make 2 equal groups with 1 left. If it's an odd number or if it's even, you will make 2 equal groups. But if it's odd, I want you to try to make 2 equal groups with 1 left over. You get 5. Yes. All right, guys. Is 5 even or odd? Odd. How do you know it's odd? Who knows why the number Good job. If you pair them up, that means you make 2 groups. There's going to be 1 left out. It's not going to have a partner, okay? Or a friend, okay? Who can give me a number sentence with 2 equal add-ins plus 1 to give me 5? Hunter. 2 plus 2.
Plus 1 more.
2 plus 2 gives me 4, plus 1 more gives me
5.
Good job, guys. Awesome job. Okay. Now, everyone put your counters, manipulatives back inside of the bucket. Some linking cubes, okay? So we're working on making even and odd numbers, okay? So you can count how many you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that would be, don't write it because I'm just giving an example. You would write the number 11 in the first box. Then wait. Then you will pair them up. You will pair them up. And when you pair, how many do you put together? 2. So is this an even or an odd number? So you will write 11 and then you will put odd beside it. Don't write it. Then you will come over and write a number sentence. This is what we practiced today at the board. Now you have 2 equal amounts here. How many are these? How many is this?
2.
No, listen, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 1 row of 5 and another row of 5. So what number sentence could you write, Carly? 5 plus 5 plus 1 more gives you how many?
11.
11. So you have 5 here, 5 here, plus 1 more gives you 11. Good job. Now you guys, you can take yours, and I'm gonna stay here with you guys and help you as you need it. Take some. Okay. No more than 20, okay? That's a lot.
I'm gonna be in the team. I'm gonna be in the team. I got 15.
So you need to take 2 away. So that's 2 in, okay? Now work with it. Okay, now write your number. What do you do? Awesome job. Now you put yours back and you grab some more. You can put some back or get more. Good job. Get some more. Do a different amount. Add some more to it.
I keep
I
on
want you to
getting.
work with different numbers, guys. As long as you don't have more than 20.
Okay, put it back.
Good
I
job.
got 16.
You got 16?
I got 15. I think mine's gonna be 8.
Let's see. Because sometimes when you start linking them together, you can tell they're even or odd by looking at them and saying what you have left.
I'm gonna grab you. Okay, 9 and then another 9, so 9 plus 9. I got 20.
You got 20?
No, see.
Let me see. Grab these real quick.
But no.
Let's see how many you have. Let's count by 2s. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19.
7 plus 7, 14.
No, you put 19. Work with 19 first. So if you got 19, is that an even or odd number?
I got 19.
Why is it odd, Nathan? All right, my groups out here, let's quiet it down, please, okay? Quiet it down. Keep working. You got about 5 more minutes, guys. Good job.
Can you hear me that word, please? Yeah, I'm gonna have it easy. I'm having it.
You have an even number.
How are you? I can fix it. See? Just erase it. I don't have to erase it.
I got it. If you need a new eraser, I have one.
What's 9 plus 9? 18. There we go.
Good job. Okay, get a different amount.
It's a church. Wait. Oh, it's 9 plus 9. Okay, 2 standard. 9 plus 8. I'm working with. No,
Oh, look at that.
that's what I'm on. That's why we okay, I keep forgetting to count. No, it's 3 plus 1. 13. Yeah, that's all.
You guys are doing an awesome job, working hard. Now, are those 2 equal adding? No. 2 plus 2. You got it.
Oh, look what I made.
Okay, guys. Keep working, and I'm going to come right back. Okay, I'm going to go check on the other groups really quick.
I'm not putting it on anymore. Yes, on likes me. I keep getting on. I guess he even likes me. He likes me. Even knows me. 15, 16, 17, 18.
How you know it's even, Carly?
It's 14. And
There's
you,
not a-
you said to look at the last number, at the ones. If it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then
True. Do they all have a partner?
if they're even,
So what's your
then
number
that's
since?
This is even. Okay.
That's where I interrupted you at right there.
It's the same thing. Okay.
Got it.
Oh, the same thing. 4 giant. Now. Yeah, this is definitely 12. Wait. That's 22. Maybe 24. Next, 2, 8. There. That's enough. Equals 10 plus 10. Equals
Okay.
1.
Now, let's look at that. You put 9 plus 5, but I said you have to have 2 equal addings. So if you have, look,
If you put 5 plus 4.
that's a good job, Nathan. Let's look at it. You need 2 equal addings, so you have an even number. So how many are in the on the first row?
I'm saying how many can stand up.
It's just like doing doubles. 8 plus how many?
Serious?
Is that 8? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you have 7 here, and you have 7 here, you're adding 7 2 times, and that gives you what? What's in your careful? Don't throw it.
Okay, that's maybe more than
This is week 6 teaching, and the lesson that I'm teaching in my video this week is math intro to developing multiplication strategies. And we're having the students begin to identify even and odd numbers. And the different strategies that I'm trying to introduce to the students is by looking to see if you can make 2 equal amounts, and if you can't, you have that 1 odd ball left over, and that identifies if you have an even or odd number. During the activity, I let the students use manipulatives because it's good for students to use hands-on materials while learning, so they can actually see what they're doing instead of just listening, so that they can visualize it. And after we completed the activity, I had the students try to make a number sentence using the 2 equal add-ins, and I allowed the children to come up and teach their strategies on how they came up with their equations, their number sentences. And I felt like this was a good math lesson. I know this is an introductory topic for 3rd grade, but I know this is a very important topic because it, opens up multiplication to the students, which is a very strong topic. And I'm going to turn it over to Miss Lackey and let her give you a little info about me today.
I did like that they had used the manipulatives to build the pairs to see the concept of even and odd, and to see that extra person or extra thing that didn't have a partner. You reviewed some vocab. That word "some's" been up there a long time, and I watched. Nobody looked over there, but somebody did finally get it. And so you did review vocabulary.
Okay.
That we hadn't talked about in a while. That was good. After they built, they showed you representational ways to practice the doubles plus 1 with your equations. Then most should be able to carry that over, and it will help improve their fact fluency now that they've seen the doubles plus that 1 oddball. When you allow students to share and with the group or with the shoulder buddy, it gives children more time to be engaged, which is a great thing. I like how they check for you check for understanding all the time with the thumbs up or thumbs down to the side. See how they're doing. In your small group, I liked the activity where they were able to decide if a number was even or odd by using the manipulatives to pair up the cubes, and they were able to determine. And they made those doubles plus 1s number sentences.
That's good. That was kind of difficult to me because that was hard for me to do as well, trying to explain it to them. But they did a good job.
They did.
So I guess next week we won't do the doubles plus 1. We will do 1 large number, 1 small number, to see if it'll be an easier way to introduce it to them another way. All right, that's it.